Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today we will learn and write 15 lines on my summer vacation. Number 1. Summer vacation is the happiest time for me. Number 2. It gives a long break from school. Number 3. This summer I stayed at home with my family. Number 4. We also visited my grandparents in the city. Number 5. I played indoor and outdoor games with my cousins. Number 6. My family took me to the zoo and amusement park. Number 7. I ate my favorite ice creams and mangoes. Number 8. We also went shopping and watched movies. Number 9. I helped my mom with small house chores. Number 10. I read storybooks and did fun coloring. Number 11. I learned how to make sandwiches and lemonade. Number 12. My dad taught me how to ride a bicycle. Number 13. We had a picnic in the nearby park. Number 14. It was full of fun, rest, and laughter. Number 15. I enjoyed my summer vacation very much. Thank you, dear friends. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.